Hi everyone, today I'll be making calcium carbide. Calcium carbide is this nifty compound that has many uses, chief among them preparation of acetylene gas. It is also used to make nitrolime fertilizer, to remove sulfur in steel, and as a deterrent for moles and voles and other tunneling rodents. First, a disclaimer. Calcium carbide reacts with water to produce acetylene, a flammable, extremely energetic gas. This makes it ideal for oxy-fuel welding and cutting. But it is also very dangerous. The fact that acetylene has an insane range between lower and upper flammability limit means that it readily forms explosive mixtures with air at almost any ratio. This is not a tutorial, do not repeat anything shown in this video. This is how people celebrate Easter, by the way. Calcium carbide is made by reacting 3 parts of calcium carbonate, also known as limestone, with 1 part of carbon. I'll be using charcoal, but any carbon source of sufficient purity would do. Calcium carbide by itself is a very hard crystalline compound. Reaction that forms it is highly endothermic. To get the carbon and calcium oxide to react, temperatures over 2000 degrees Celsius, that's also over 2000 degrees of Kelvin, are required. Only a reliable way, and the way that is used industrially, is an electric arc furnace. I weighed out and mixed 2 grams of charcoal dust and 6 grams of fine sand. I then transferred it onto a foamed concrete brick and began to heat it with an electric arc. As a power supply, I'm using a normal ye-old stick welder. The electrodes are carbon gouging rods. Let's see if you got any reaction. Doesn't look done yet. Let's cook it some more. Anyone in the know? Did I just EMP my phone? Or does the camera sensor simply not appreciate all the photons I'm giving it? Now, let's test the mix after I gave it a good baking. I scooped it up on this ghetto spatula. It works. While successful, the yield I achieved with my setup was nowhere near ideal. Now, for the 5 people who are still watching, and whom I appreciate very much, here I have a bit of store-bought calcium carbide, can with a hole and a plastic lid. There's a bit of water in it, and I will demonstrate how calcium carbide is used as a pyrotechnic. Just a reminder, while this is perfectly legal where I'm from, it might be banned where you live, and this is in no way meant to encourage you to repeat my actions. Thank you for your time. Like, subscribe, comment and share too, if so inclined, and see you next time.